What's up, YouTube? It's your boy T, back again today with another Soul Supremacy beater box. This box today cost me 615 bucks from a company called Soul Supremacy. If you're new to the channel, these are just mystery boxes full of name brand kicks we buy below market value. It's about 100 of us nationwide that are allowed to go every Sunday and cop these boxes. Everything is a mystery, from the condition, the sizes, everything that's inside of them. What you get in the box is depending on how much you pay for the box. So this box cost me 615 bucks. So hopefully it's a pretty good box. Last box I had was actually a bento box. If you guys missed that video, go check it out. It was a pretty good box. Got to keep the Presto acronyms out of it, so I'm not mad at that at all. But we're gonna jump right into this one. I'm rushing, trying to hurry up and get out of here. I'm supposed to be meeting somebody. I probably shouldn't even be shooting the video right now, but I was kind of anxious to see what was in here. First up, I got a loose pair of 12 lows. I've had this pair in my personal collection. 12 lows, pretty good shape, no box, size 9. These are in pretty good shape. I actually like these, kind of easy to match. Great summertime shoe. All the rest of these come with boxes, and I've got 6 more in here, so 7 total in the box. I got a size 10 Jordan 6. We got the white infrared 6s, and they look like they dead stock, but they are not. Judging from the bottoms, these are not dead stock, but these are really clean. Check that out, super clean. Whoever had these took care of them. They don't look like they were worn more than 1 or 2 times. Infrared 6s, white infrared 6s. Not a bad pickup at all. Size 10 is a pretty good size. I got a lot of people that wear a size 10. So far so good with those 2. Never had one of these. We got a size 9. I'm trying to let that camera focus. We got a size 9 in, I want to say this is like a sock NMD. I'm not sure the exact name of it. These, like, they're in really good shape too. They are not dead stock. I can see a little dirt on the boost on the insole, but these are in pretty good shape. Really lightweight, probably comfortable. Size 9. Man, I've never had these shoes. I've seen people unbox them all the time in beater boxes. I've never had those. Got another Adidas. Says day 1 on the front of the box. You guys probably can't see that. Adidas Ultra Boost. So it's an Ultra Boost. If I can get it open. These are a size 12.5. So for the big feet people out there, these are dead stock. They look like some kind of special edition Ultra Boost or something. Never seen this shoe before. Another lightweight running shoe. They are dead stock. They have some nice little details on them. Check out the back. I like the laces on it. The color is actually not bad either. Don't know too much about them though, so hopefully there's some good value there. They are dead stock, so that should make it pretty easy to move. I got a Kobe, size 10 Kobe, Kobe 9 Elite. Seen these before when these joints came out some years ago. I was wanting them real bad. Not this colorway, but I was wanting this shoe. That was back when I was playing a lot of basketball. These are a size 10. These are pre-owned, but they do look really good. I don't know what the value of these are either. But you guys should be able to see it on the screen. I have no idea what these are until I look them up on GOAT and eBay and all those other places to compare them to. But these are pretty good. That's a pretty good colorway too. With the box, got the Sole Supremacy tag on the box. Normally when they have that Sole Supremacy tag on there, it's a dead stock shoe. At least from what I've recognized. Alright, we got 2 pair left, and this pair is my size. Size 11, Gatorade 6s with the towel. Got the green ones. Got the Gatorade towel. Green Gatorade 6s. I'm smiling real hard because I wanted this shoe and I didn't get it because I was thinking, it's too much green, I'm not gonna like it. I seen this thing in person a couple weeks after it had released, and I had been wanting it ever since. This is my size, and I hate when this happens. I'm stuck. Like, if I want to sell it, if I want to keep it, I mean, I can keep it and be straight, but man, these are clean. I don't know what y'all think, man. Look at the condition on these. Check out the bottom. Got the hang tag in the box. Got the towel with it. That's a lot of green, but these are dope, man. To me, I love them. I don't know if I'm gonna sell them though. That's a tough one, man. I've been keeping a lot of shoes. That's the only reason why I'm kind of debating. I've been keeping a lot of shoes. I'm gonna eventually have to sell some because I won't be able to wear all these shoes. Has to be like Mike on the box. The box is even nice touch. I might have to find something else to sell and keep those. I don't know, man. You guys make sure y'all follow the Instagram page, TGOTSOLE for sale. I've been so behind on posting everything, but I will get on that. Next up, I got a CONCORD size 10. It is CONCORD season. Everybody was hyped up about the new 2018 release, which is kind of good to see people hyped up about Jordans, I guess, again. It was kind of fun. We got the CONCORD 23 on the back. This is the 2011 release. These things are dead stock. They do have a little oxidation on the sole, but these things are dead stock. Very, very good pickup. Man, this was a good box. 615 bucks. This was a pretty good box. Dead stock CONCORDs. Those Gatorade 6s. The white infrareds. I'm not mad at this at all. Yeah, this is a good size too, a size 10. These will probably move really fast. Again, if you guys follow me on Instagram, the main page is at TGOTSOLE and the other one is at TGOTSOLE for sale. I'll have the link for both of those pages down below. Everything in this box may be for sale. If I don't keep those 6s, man, you guys will see if I'm gonna keep them or not. I'll have to put that box back together later. Appreciate you guys watching. Thank you for taking time out your day to check out the video. More boxes coming soon. I actually have another box here at the house. I don't know if I'm gonna shoot a video for it or not. That's another good reason to follow the page, because it might be some stuff that you don't see in the videos that might go up on the Instagram page. And I actually have another box on the way, so boxes coming in. Time is just limited right now. Busy with work. But I wanted to make sure I got one of these boxes posted for you guys. Check it out. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. I'm getting ready to rush to get up out of here. Again, thank you guys for checking out the videos. I'm out. Peace.